This weather video is proudly sponsored by Salem Chess Club.
You want to know why no one messes with Chess Club? It's because we got rooks. As you can see, we have near whiteout conditions as this dangerous storm prepares to drop 30 or even 40 centimeters of snow on our fair city.
Putting from Lynn, Mass, you see that it's starting to pick up a little bit. If you could do a little bit of snow here, a little bit of the. We got a local over here. Let's get his thoughts on the.
Alright, this is Clem Ricky Bottom. This is bullshit. 14 inches my ass.
Is that all you got to say?
That's all I gotta say about that.
Okay. Only footage here. Billy Joe Madero's reported from Lynn, Mass. Back to you, Gabe, in the bunker.
Thank you, Pink Queen, for that report from the mean streets of Lynn. In particular, we appreciated the interview with that man in the street. God knows where you found him. Meanwhile, here at the bunker, we're going to monitor this dangerous situation. In particular, we're awaiting reports from Highland Avenue. There are often riots and even fires up there, particularly at establishments such as Shaw's and especially Market Basket. Keep an eye on your chess pieces. White pieces are particularly vulnerable when snowdrifts occur, and with any luck, we will ride out this storm.